Easy steps to installing a new SSD into your PS5. Step 1, disconnect your PS5. Step 2, you're going to need to use the flathead screwdriver to remove the base. Step 3 is remove this cover. You want to pick up here and slide it this way. Step 4, take your small Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screw holding on the panel that covers the SSD slot. There's a screw right here. You're going to have to take that screw out because it's got the spacer for your new SSD to be screwed down. Step 5, unscrew that screw I just showed you. Step 6, you want to go ahead and just slide it right on into the slot until it snaps into place. Once it firmly snaps into place, it will stick up kind of like that. And you take the little screw that you took out of there and put it back in. Step 7, reinstall your cover. Step 8, put your cover back on. Step 9, if you've got it vertical like I do, you'll need to put your base back on. Step 10, re-hook up your PlayStation 5. Step 11 is turn on your PS5. Step 12, you'll want to format your new SSD that you just installed.